And this is a country where power is very unreliable. For instance, even in some parts of Delhi, you can have power cuts in the summer which last 10 hours. So if you're having to work as a journalist or anybody else who needs a word processor, then you'd probably be very grateful for a typewriter which would be reliable and didn't require power. You'd probably need a candle with it, though, too.
All said and done, typewriter is the cheapest mode of communicating, and again, a typewriter once bought will last for 25 years. So a person using a typewriter is more at ease as far as the regular expenses are concerned.
आमच्या लेडीज लोकांसाठी काही शिकलं तरी लेडीज लोकांना फर्स्ट लेडीज तर आपल्याला माहितीच असणार. त्यामुळे टाईपरायटर कुठल्याही शाळेमध्ये म्हणजे लवकरच म्हणजे सर्व्हिस लागते आणि त्यानंतर सर्व्हिसमध्येच कम्प्युटर आम्ही करू शकतो.